space is bigger, stranger, and more mysterious than you think. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth? Milky Way, some planets even rain diamonds. Stay tuned as we reveal space facts that will blow your mind. The universe is so big that the light from the most distant galaxies has been traveling for over 13 billion years to reach us. This means we are looking at them as they were billions of years ago. It's like a time machine for your eyes. Our Milky Way galaxy alone is home to billions of stars. It's a huge spiral of stars, gas, and dust. The center of our galaxy smells like rum and tastes like raspberries, thanks to a chemical called ethyl formate. Planets of our solar system. Let's start with our own cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. There are 8 planets orbiting our sun. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, has a year that lasts only 88 Earth days. But a single day on Mercury is incredibly long, lasting 176 Earth days from sunrise to sunrise. This is because of its slow rotation and unusual orbit. Even though it's so close to the sun, Mercury has ice at its poles in deeply shadowed craters. Next is Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. It's hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther away. The reason is a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. A day on Venus is even longer than its year. A Venusian day is about 243 Earth days, while its year is 225 Earth days. The atmosphere of Venus is so dense it would crush you instantly. Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. It's also the densest planet in the solar system. Did you know the Moon is slowly moving away from Earth? The Moon drifts about 1.5 inches farther away from us each year. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is so great that you could fit all the other 7 planets in our solar system in that space. Mars, the red planet, is the only planet inhabited entirely by robots. We've sent rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity to explore its surface. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is on Mars. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars also has huge dust storms that can cover the entire planet and last for months. Gas giants and beyond. Beyond Mars are the gas giants, starting with Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's so massive that all the other planets could fit inside it. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. This storm has been raging for at least 350 years and is bigger than Earth. Jupiter has 95 confirmed moons. One of its moons, Ganymede, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Next up is Saturn, famous for its spectacular rings. The rings aren't solid. They're made of billions of tiny pieces of ice and rock. These particles can range from the size of a grain of sand to a car. Saturn is so light that it would float in a giant bathtub. It's less dense than water. Beyond Saturn, we have Uranus. Uranus rotates on its side, like a tilted bowling ball rolling around the sun. This unusual tilt gives it extreme seasons. Uranus has 27 moons, named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Finally, there's Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a very cold and windy planet. Winds on Neptune can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Neptune has a moon named Triton that orbits backward. Triton is also one of the coldest objects in the solar system. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are not holes in the traditional sense, but incredibly dense objects. The first image of a black hole was captured in 2019. It was located in the center of the galaxy M87, which is 55 million light-years away. There is a supermassive black hole at the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. It's called Sagittarius A star. It has the mass of over 4 million suns. Galaxies are giant collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. The Milky Way is not the only galaxy. There are billions of them. The closest large galaxy to us is Andromeda. It's on a collision course with the Milky Way. But don't worry, the collision won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. When they collide, it will be a galactic merger. New stars will form, and it's unlikely any stars will crash into each other. Bizarre cosmic phenomena. Space is full of bizarre and mind-bending phenomena. There are rogue planets, which are planets that don't orbit any star. These planets wander through the darkness of space. Scientists believe there could be more rogue planets than stars in our galaxy. Some planets are made almost entirely of diamond. These diamond planets form from stars rich in carbon. It's a case of cosmic pressure turning carbon into diamonds. There are also hot Jupiters, which are giant planets that orbit very close to their stars. Some exoplanets, which are planets outside our solar system, are so close to their stars that they get a constant sunburn. One exoplanet, WASP-17b, is a gas giant that is so puffy it is the least dense planet ever discovered. There are also water worlds, planets entirely covered in deep oceans. One exoplanet, named Kepler-22b, is thought to be a potential water world. There's a cosmic mystery called the Great Attractor. It's a region in space that is pulling our galaxy and other nearby galaxies towards it. The Great Attractor is a massive concentration of mass. We can't see it directly because it's obscured by the dust and stars of the Milky Way. Another cosmic mystery is dark matter and dark energy. They make up about 95% of the universe. We can't see them, but we know they exist because of their gravitational effects. Dark matter holds galaxies together, acting like a cosmic glue. Dark energy is responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. The universe is expanding faster now than it was in the past. It's like a balloon being inflated, with galaxies moving away from each other. The future of space exploration. We've only just scratched the surface of space exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope is giving us incredible new views of the universe. It can see farther back in time than any previous telescope. The James Webb Telescope is helping us find the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. We are also planning to return to the moon. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and first person of color on the lunar surface. The goal is to establish a sustainable presence on the moon. This will be a stepping stone for sending humans to Mars. Getting to Mars is a huge challenge. It would take a 6 to 9 month journey just to get there. But the reward would be incredible. We could learn whether life once existed on Mars. Exploring space isn't just about finding new planets. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos. Every discovery we make changes how we see the universe. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, space is a constant source of wonder. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are part of an incredible, expanding